Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make banana pudding. Good old-fashioned banana pudding. You guys, this is a quick and simple, easy recipe. Shout out to my cousin Synovia. She actually gave me shared this recipe with me years ago, and so now I'm going to make it for a little cookout we having on today, and it's always a hit anytime I make it. So consider making this for your potlucks, and I can guarantee you people will continue to ask for it every single time. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, you guys, so I am starting out with instant vanilla pudding. You can use banana pudding, but I'm going to use vanilla pudding because a lot of people that I tend to make this for are not fans of banana, and so I try to, minimize the banana flavor and taste by substituting the pudding with vanilla pudding, and it works just as good. The box calls for 3 cups of milk per box of pudding. I use 4 boxes, and instead of using 12 cups of milk, I am going to use 10 cups of milk. Okay, so again, you really can't mess this up. If you want to follow the instructions on the box, be my guest, but I just again put less than what it called for. After you begin to mix your pudding, you want to get a spatula or a spoon of some sort and scrape around the bowl and the bottom of the bowl to make sure that all of the powder got mixed up, as you can see in that clip right there. Okay, now we are going to take an 8 ounce of sour cream. I know some of y'all are like, ew, what? Sour cream? Trust me. Just do it, okay? Or not. You don't have to, but this is what I do. So I added 8 ounces of sour cream, and I am going to mix that. Again, you are really mixing this until it is nice and smooth, okay? By the time you're done adding all of the ingredients, it will be nice and smooth, you guys. Again, I'm taking my little spatula and I'm scraping around the bowl just to make sure everything is incorporated. Now I'm going to take some Cool Whip. Okay, some good old-fashioned Cool Whip, and I'm going to pour it in there and begin mixing again. You can fold it in if you want to, but I didn't have the time, you guys. I was pressed for time, so I just went ahead and mixed it. Folding it in just makes it a lot more fluffier and lighter. However, you can't really tell the difference with mixing it either. Again, I'm taking my spatula one more time, and I am scraping around that bowl just to make sure everything is evenly incorporated. Now we're getting ready to assemble this pudding. There is not a right or a wrong way to do this. If you want to start with the pudding first, go ahead, but I'm going to start with my cookies first, my vanilla wafers. I start with those first on the bottom, then I slice up a couple of bananas, and then I'm going to start to pour the pudding in there. And you're just going to layer it just like that. Repeat. Okay, repeat the same steps. Spread it all over, and now layer down your cookies again, your bananas, and the pudding all over. Okay, if you guys are liking what you're seeing so far, do not forget to subscribe. Go ahead and subscribe and like my channel, you guys, so that I can continue to put more recipes up for you guys. All right, now I did about 3 layers, and now I'm going to top it off with the last little bit of the pudding, and then I went ahead and grabbed my food processor and crushed up the remaining vanilla wafers just to crumble them up and sprinkle them across the banana pudding. And at this point, you guys, we are pretty much done. You could put the foil on it, put it in the refrigerator, so that it stays nice and cold. And I mean, even at this point, it's ready to serve, y'all. All right, so just for presentation for this video, I'm gonna go ahead and put it in a nice little cute glass, little margarita glass. That's what I had on hand. Okay, and you can scoop it up in there, and then just garnish it with a couple more vanilla wafers at the top, or some bananas or something like that. But that is pretty much it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Again, do not forget to click like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I hope you all enjoyed. Let me know if you tried this out. Leave it in the comment there, and let me know what other recipes or other things that you would like to see me cook for you. All right, see you later.